while we wait on them Strombolis, we should do a little foot wiggle. Woo, baby. That's how cold it is when we're out here cooking. It's still t-shirt weather when we're in Minnesota. Dang, that sucker is cooking up pretty freaking nice. Woo, look at that Stromboli, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Yes. I'm Drew. This is Baby Nova, and today we're going to be making a pork belly Stromboli and some pork belly pizza in the Yoder Smokers wood-fired pizza oven for the 640 and 480. Sound good? There we go. Let's get started, baby. So, we got our dough made. You saw that recipe, right? We got the dough. We got our pork belly. We got some pepperoni, because, you know, how are you going to make anything pizza without pepperoni? Yeah, pepperoni, that's what you're eating now, baby. Whoa, you want to help me? Here. Yep, got to get that flour. Woo, baby. Say, woo, baby.
Woo, baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we got our flour out. Now I'm going to put a little bit on top, too. You need a little bit for your hands, Nova. Put your hands in there. Don't worry, we just washed our hands. And we don't want to eat, so we can do whatever we want. Isn't that right, baby? Okay, yeah, look. So we brush it around the top. Brush it around the top. Okay, yep. Get a little bit on your hands. Go like this. Yep, now you can handle it. Look, this dough, it is incredible. Like, look.
No!
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Slide back, look, I'll let you do it too. You ready? We'll just get it all out. All right. Oh, yep. So look, so you're gonna smash this one out. Okay, you ready? So this is definitely gonna be a Stromboli and not a pizza because she changed the shape of it a little bit. So, all right, so we got it. Okay, you do this one. This one's yours. Okay. Yep, that one's yours. No, put it down. Put it down. So look, do what Daddy does. Okay. So you just push the dough down, flatten it out. And look, I know, I've seen the dough. I've seen the people, right? I've seen them where they're going on.
You put your shirt.
You put it on my shirt. I didn't put it on my shirt. Look, where they're going out having to get a rolling pin and all that stuff. If you're making this dough, you're not gonna need a rolling pin. So this one, look, Nova, this one gonna be a pizza. No, don't do two together. You want me to toss it? Zoom out a little bit, Mama. Zoom out so Nova can catch it. Baby, just one together. That's why we put the flour on there. So look. Nova, you want to catch it? Look, watch. Nova, watch. Look up. I'm going to throw it. Woo! Woo! Nova. So, we're going to do the sauce now. Ready?
That's mine.
Yeah, that can be yours. Yep. Okay. Yep. Right there. Woo! Good job, baby. Are you left-handed? Here, grab this with your right hand. I'll teach you how to put it on. Look, small circles. Small.
I'm done.
All done? Okay, I'll finish. Man, look at that color. Put what there? The sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it back. You want to do the cheese? Oh, wait. We got to do the basil. Right, you want to peel this one off? Here, pick that one. No. Yeah, keep going. Right there. Woo. Put it on the pizza. Yeah, that kind of works. Here, pull this one off. Oh, okay. Here, Daddy's gonna help.
Well, baby's gonna help you.
Baby's gonna help too. Okay, good job. Okay, that's probably enough, right? That's all the cheese they get. What? Here, let's put some more. All right. Let's put a little more cheese. So this is just some low moisture mozzarella that we created in the KitchenAid. I wasn't gonna do all that. I figured y'all could figure out how to do some cheese. Let me hop up that Jeb Taylor and chop up some pork belly, okay? Here, put the pepperonis on. Put them on pizza. No, one at a time, baby. Look. Boop, boop, boop. Like that. Can you do it? Yep. Say boop.
Yes.
Say boop, boop, boop. All right, actually, before we cook it, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a Stromboli. Let's get this ugly one you got down here. I mean, beautiful one you got, all right? Okay, so we're gonna flatten it out. Okay, sounds good. All right.
No, no, no.
You ready?
I'll wash my
You ready?
hands.
You ready?
I got you.
Oh, sorry. My bad, bro. I didn't see you there.
You know my hat.
Sorry. I tried to give you a new hat.
Oh.
Okay, so I just slap it out just like I do a normal pizza dough. And this is straight from Wood out in Boston. That man, he put this on his on a little reel on Instagram, so I tried it and it was incredible. So then I had to go and kind of make it my own. So look, so you got that. We're gonna do a layer of pepperoni. So just I take it like, try to stretch a little bit longer since we're making a stromboli. All right.
Wait, here, tighter.
Yeah. So look, we're gonna do a layer of pepperoni. Right, Nova?
No, stop, mommy. I'm making you pizza.
All right. So, and this is boar's head pepperoni, by the way. It's, I don't know, it's my favorite. So then we'll do a
I
layer
want to
of,
eat that one, some more that one.
a layer of cheese.
Some more that one.
Oh, you want to eat some more of this one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. That pork belly's good, huh?
Yeah.
Pork belly's good. See, baby Nova knows what's up. Look, then we're gonna get our pork belly in there. Yeah, baby. You wanna do some cheese? Here, get some cheese in here. Put it on top, just like
I
that.
want to eat that one.
Oh, you want some more? Okay. She's not helping anymore. She's just eating the pork belly now. So actually, I think I was supposed to do something different, but it's okay. It's gonna work.
It's
It's fine. Boop, boop, boop.
more.
You want one of these?
Oh, no, that one.
Okay, just that one.
Yeah.
There you go. More pork belly for the baby. All right. So then we're gonna do a little sauce right on top.
Why are you doing it?
Putting some sauce in here, girl. All right, so now we're gonna roll it up, right? So look, we go over the top like
I
that.
want to do that.
Yeah, go over the top like that.
I want to eat that one too.
You wanna eat that one too? Then what I do, I like to fold this in. And then fold this one in before I roll it the rest of the way.
More.
Oop, your pork belly and our cheese. Alright. So then we just roll it
More.
one more time. I try to get some of the flour off that we're not gonna need.
More.
Then you just got your little stromboli wrapped up. I figured, what the heck? We got a stromboli, we got a pizza. Let's go ahead and make a calzone. And I figured I'd go ahead and film it for you too. So, you just make a pizza, right? You fold it in half, and then you just fold the edges over. So watch, I'm gonna start on this side. Look, so you're just gonna fold it, and then fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. Hopefully I got this in shot. You okay, baby? Just fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. Yeah. Look, that's all you do. You roll it over, boom, boom, boom. Then you get a little slide, slide, slide like that, and then you're ready to roll. So I'm gonna put this on the other peel that'll fit in the pizza oven, and we're gonna go cook that. So. All right, this one take. This one take right here. All the way outside in the snow. Just hope I don't fall with this. That would be a pretty expensive pizza. Oh, we're getting there, babe. We're getting there. Hold on, let me see what you can see. Let me see what you can see. Can you see it? Can you see it? We getting there. Woo! I told you. What'd I tell you? I told you it's gonna get its own little vent hole in there. So let's get these strombolis going. Woo! Ooh, baby! Look at that sucker! Look at that! Look at that! No! This one baby Jesus, that looks good. Alright, we're gonna take that in and we're gonna get it. Man, that one looks good too. We don't even have to mess with it. So that's a wrap, baby. That's a wrap. Let's take them in, cut them up, and call this a night. Alright, so just to recap, we made the dough recipe and the sauce recipe that are gonna be right here. Or here, I don't know, wherever it goes, right? So we made the dough recipe and the sauce, and then we made the Strombolis in the Yoder. Turned out pretty good. Let me show you. Oh, and warning, I'm not I need a serrated knife, and I don't have a Jeb Taylor that's serrated, and I would never cut on anything metal with a Jeb Taylor knife. You see that? Come on now. Nova, you want a bite? You want first bite?
No, no.
Okay, I got it then. All right. That was worth the hard work. Nova, this is the one you made. This is the one you made. Come here, come say bye to these people. Get this bite. Come on. Mama gonna be mad I get you dirty after she changed you. Look at this. Look at this. Go ahead and get that. Get that, girl.
Yeah.
It's got the pork belly. You just want the pork belly?
Yeah.
Okay. Mmm. 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 All right. Look. I think this is the part where I'm supposed to tell you to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, all that good stuff. Thanks. Oh, the joys of working with a 2-year-old and making some videos.